So hello Hoya friends. So it's been a long time since we had a video. So today it's been a long time. Now we have a little unboxing from Sir Sunny Colina. This is from Cabuyao, Laguna. So it's too early. I think it's 7 o'clock. So I just walked my dog. So all my plants are here as you can see guys. Yeah. It's covered with net because the construction is going on, so it's almost done. I think it's just the roofing and the terrace, so I can arrange and repot some of my plants. So without further ado, it's me Red, and welcome back to my channel. So yes guys, so I already ordered from Sir Sunny, and he has some new propagated plants and he messaged me, so I choose from some of his propagated plant, and here are some plant which I ordered, and Sir Sunny is so kind. He gave me a free hanger. So I think this is from Hoya Hunter. I think this is 10 or 11 pesos. Okay. So I ordered, I think, two stable or mother plant. So let's start. So this is big, and as you can see, this is bigger than my last order, guys. My last box is just small. This is X medium. So let's see. What are these? Oh, oh, Sir Sunny send me this. Free lalagyan ng ID ng mga Hoya. Kayo na lang po ang gumupit. Lapis pang ganun. Oh, see. So this is for the tag. Sir Sunny is very kind to send me this tag. I don't know what this is made up of. Yeah, free. You can put the name tag here. So I will just use pencil. Uh-huh. Okay, yeah. Thank you so much, Sir Sunny. So it's my first time to see this tag. I don't know what material is this. So thank you so much. So let us open this. Although it's a bit noisy out there. So let's open this. Yeah. So we have here. What's this? Oh, I think this is a freebie because I don't have order like this. Yeah. H.pubicalyx. I think this one is a freebie, so I will just put it later or show it later, guys. Oh, the hanger is for this plant. For this one, yeah, it looked like laconosa, but Sir Sunny said that it is Yin Yang. Yeah, the plant hanger is for this. Yeah, no ID, but he did chat me and he said that this is Yin Yang. Yeah. Sorry for the eyes, guys. I just woke up. Yeah, so I will put it in the hanger later on or later this day. Yeah, this one I ordered this. This is Pubicalix Flash for 250. Yes, for 250 guys. So see the flashes. Yeah, the splashes are there. Let's put it here. Oh, these are, yeah. This one is, well, I don't know. I will just write it on the description box. I forgot. This is similar to Alwitriana. Yeah, it kinda, the sides are kinda overcooked. Yeah, it's because of the sunlight. And as you can see, it has a peduncle. So I just hope that this peduncle is active. So I will just put the name on the description box. Yeah. So three, I don't know. I guess I just ordered three. That's all. And four cuttings, small cuttings. Yeah. Two big and one pubicalix flash. What is this? This is grassy cowlies. Yeah. This is a freebie. I guess this one is also a freebie because Sir Sunny didn't include what kind of pubicalix is this. So, yeah. I think this is the red one. See? Yeah, crassicaulis and pubicalix. So I have still four cuttings, small cuttings. So two pubicenta and two pubicalix pinks, pink stripe. I don't know, with the pink something on the corona. Yeah. So I bought two and two pubicenta. Yeah, pink stripe. Okay, so let's continue guys. So let me show you this. This is pink stripe. So yeah, sorry for the interruption guys. So let's continue with this. And I have here my two pubicenta. This is pubicalix. Yeah, this is pubicalix. Yeah. So these two, I don't know. This is pubicenta and this is pubicalix. Yeah. So pubi, what's this? I can't read this. I think this is pubicenta. Yeah, because the leaves are similar. So yeah, I don't know. It looks like these three are similar, but it is tagged as pubicalix. So I have three pubicenta. Oh, Sir Sunny got confused. I only have one pink stripe, pubicalic pink stripes. So this is for only 60 pesos or 70 pesos, I guess. Yeah. And I have three pubicenta. Yeah, because the leaves are, they look similar. So yeah, but I order two pink stripe and two pubicenta. Yeah, so these are just rooted cuttings. Yeah, for I don't have pink stripe and pubicenta yet on my collection, guys. Yeah, so we have two big plants, the Pubicalyx flush or reva. I don't know. These three pubicenta, the Pubicalyx, yeah, and the freebie. I think this is the Pubicalyx. And the freebie, the crassicaulis. Yeah. Okay, so our reba, I don't know if it's flash or reba. Yeah. And our two giant plant, I will just include the name. I forgot the name of this. This is La something. Lento, something like that. I will just include the name on the description box and our yin yang. Okay. So there you go, our mini unboxing for today, guys. So thank you so much, Sir Sunny. So I just met Sir Sunny from our group, our local group. So there you have it, guys, our short unboxing from Sir Sunny, whom I just met from our local group. So hope you like our short unboxing, and always remember, just like plant, we don't have other way to go but to grow. So keep on growing and stay happy, healthy, and safe. Bye-bye.